So, hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the new subscribers. So, as you've been told, or as I will have to say, I've been teaching you guys smart position sizing and scaling up. Paid off for me. We have a new all-time high. I'm close at 1K. So now, as you can see, a 5% is open. I tried to take it at the bottom here, but I was still a little bit unsure about my strategy. I put it through AI. I am currently actually showing him what I'm doing. So I am trying to see if my hand trading strategy, the new one I'm using here, is actually good. And to see, I'm going to revert this a little bit. So I took a short here. I Oh no, sorry, I'm wrong. Open short, yeah. And I had to add here because I almost got liquidated. So that's what I've been telling you two guys. Yeah, I can push it a little bit like this. Yeah. So if you almost get liquidated, but you're sure, because it kept here around this line above, um, even here it was going up, but I thought it was already going down. I was right in the beginning, but it reverted on me. So I had to take a chance and I had to say, okay, let's add some more, another 5%. That was at 10% then. And it resets my liquidation line a little bit higher because at this point we were more sure that it would go down again by the RSI, and this one, the MACD line, was lowering too near the bearish cross. So now I was discussing with AI after this deep fall and the correlation charts of oil, because it reached 96, sorry. um, there is a correlation, a small correlation between the oil charts right now and BTC charts. It's not a real correlation in sense of when oil rises, Bitcoin rises. No, it's the opposite. So now we can see that oil is going down from 96, sorry. Yeah, here in Belgium we always say the last number first. That's why I'm a little bit dyslexic talking. Um, but now it's getting lower. So this believes, lets me believe that this price will go higher. And AI told me this also. I'm not always trading with AI. It's just something I had to try. Just take some snapshots of the screen, give it to AI, telling him what I think and how we could advance. He told me here we have to watch the bullish cross on the MACD. We still, oh yeah, I think we have a higher high with this one, 65, 64. No, still not. No, it's still not above it. Here it did go above it a little bit, so that gives me a little bit of confidence. But like I told you guys, to assure my profits, I already made a nice profit today and a few days ago. I couldn't come to bring it to screen because I was in a Zoom meeting with Moondev. So yeah, sorry for that, guys. I cannot always show you the winnings of the day. But last time it was a profit or near $200 after two first losses, so I had to smart position size, and it led to $740 at that point. So today we already made a nice profit above that, and in between I made some other few profits. So now we're going for the second profit today. If, yeah, no, not if, because the stop loss is set in the profit zone, so not if, it will be a profit anyway, even though it falls or rises. But in this case, AI, Gemini, is telling me it would be feasible. If you look at the charts here, it would be feasible to reach the price here, 70,871. Oh, there has been some additions, because normally this was the first one. These were the two first one. So there are a little bit of few of guys who are trying to push the price back down. But see, this scenery was totally different before. So this heat map is also telling me they are trying to push the price. But we always hope for the best, guys. We always hope for the best. And that's why you better start off slow. For me, the position, if I put 1%, it's a little over 220, I think, right now. So it's not 200 like with 250 wallet or the 500 wallet. Now it's a clean 220 to 250, I think. So if you scale up easily and steadily, it will all scale up. But you have to have some discipline in this. Because if you put all your eggs in one basket, then you can break them all and lose them all. This is a small gap I'm worrying about. 7600 would be around here, so no, here, sorry. Okay, which leads me to believe it could be up till here, then a small reversal and then back up. But I could be wrong. I'm not a 100% trader in all my trades, at least not hand trading. The bot is doing pretty well. I scaled it up too. Instead of 20%, $20, $30 position sizes. I don't use percentages there. I use fixed numbers. So yeah, this is what I do right now. I trade on the MACD, on the RSI, the ADX. It's been very good here. So this was also a great indicator. The ATR is still for every candle 367.707, so it's still a little volatile, so we have to keep in mind. We look also at the EMA. We're above the 200 EMA, above the 50 EMA, the 20 EMA, and above the 9 EMA. So this all are good indicators of showing me that it could lead to the 75%. But my heat map is showing me also a different story. We have a lot of pushes right here, but we're above the break line, guys. And that's the most important. Still collecting data for the ML. This is still the old version, but yeah. Shows me also a good thing right now, that there's still some juice in this puppy. 70-50, so let's say this is about 70. If I have to calculate it between this line and this line, 6, 7, 8, maybe 8, 6, 7, 8, 60800, and where am I? 60865. Okay, so Yeah, if it keeps continuing above that break line, then the pushers uh, downwards will fail and the price would go up again. So in the journey we already had in all these days, guys, you saw me starting trading with my own liquidator indicator, which I still do. I still watch my own indicator, but sometimes I can even trade off just indicators in the exchange because I saw in the exchange right now that it would revert here, and actually AI was preventing me. Oh no, you should wait until it was here at 35, and I said, I see a reversal point. And it was even at this point I decided to talk with him, and he said, no, I would wait until 40, and yeah, but I said, when it's 40, you're already past the bottom. Yeah, but it's already a very dangerous market right now because of all the things going on. And yeah, I look at Brent oil, I look at crude oil, I look at this one more. I think this one correlates much more. And I do have to say, guys, if this goes further down, then the price here will go up, up, up. I hope I can show you in the next 9 minutes, because I will try and keep my videos at 20 max for you guys, because you also have your time to spend on your own things, trying to build out your own bots or something else. Still building it too, so um, I hope you followed the recent changes on the BT system with the addition of 2500 symbols, no, 2052 symbols, and the archiver is also launched with those stock market symbols and ETFs symbols, so you can even backtest much more data. And the archiver is there for collecting data, because there are in the Y Finance I could only do in one call 1500 max. So if you collect for a few days or a few weeks, you'll have a nice data set to work with to backtest on. That's why I did it. Also because I want to write a script about what I see the correlation between BTC and oil, so I can really verify if this is something, because it was also discussed with AI, and somewhere around the lines of yes. Oh, I'm out of business. Can't trade anymore after this, guys. Well, I can in here, but it's wise to follow the 8 hours of today. I still have some work for school, so I still have to do some coding, make a nice program, a nice app. Learning. It's all about learning how to do some things. Like I told you guys, was researching this, and the actual answer I got was currently it is following the oil price currently, but at this bottom price where I talked with him, with Gemini, he told me not to do it because the price of oil was still rising. It was above $96, and he said, that's a breaking point for oil. If it goes any further, then the Bitcoin will drop more. So I won't advise you to open. I said, because I saw a lot of that's this is why I sometimes see if it keeps too long in one place, it is a possible reversal. But we just crossed the bullish cross, here on the MACD. So that is leading me to believe, but we're still not way over it. See, it could revert back to the red zone. If this goes any further, then it goes back to the red zone. But this led me to believe I had to follow my own idea. I just opened it. See, the price rises, the price drops. So this is what I've been seeing. I hope this is a good info for you guys. You can do your own research on it. I will, and I will share it when I have it, when I have the time also. I have the charts, so that's not the problem, but I do need the time to make the script, think about how I could make the correlation and how I see things. I need to explain it to the AI. I need to make my own script a little bit first, and afterwards I will discuss it with AI just to see if we could improve on some things and then backtest it. And I will show the results in a week, I think. So hang tight for that. It will be in the tips and tools, not on this channel, which is funded by Moondev and the Moondev app. If you want everything, then here you can go to the docs. The descriptions are below for the Hyperliquid Data Layer API, how to use everything. I did use everything for my own benefits, also for creating the liquidator indicator with eight other exchanges data. And this is the Quant App site. Essential before you start, guys. Step one, not optional. Learn exactly how to use every feature of the Quant App. Watch the complete bootcamp series to understand risk management, session locking, and the powerful tools at your disposal. Because, like I told you, you can lose everything in one fell swoop if you just don't pay attention. Uh, I could say, yeah, take my approach, but I'm not a financial advisor. But I can tell you guys I am doing good, and I think my approach is not the bad approach. If you started with a low wallet, you scale up bit by bit, dollar by dollar. Then at some point, with the martingale strategy I'm using, you will scale up to this point, and sometimes you will get stuck in between because you have a good trade, a bad trade, good trade, good trade, bad trade, or a few bad trades and then one very good one because of the martingale strategy. But it's still a risk to use a martingale strategy, and actually it dies out as well. So I have to be starting to think about another position sizing strategy that is other than the martingale. I have 6 in total, thanks to one of the Discord channel. So this is step 2, join the community, get help and share ideas. Got questions, want to discuss strategies ideas with Moondev and other traders like me, or Big M Basket, Artail, I'm not getting all the names right now, but sorry for who I forgot. But all these guys pulled me through when I thought, no, I'm going to quit. They got the answers, and now I have them also. The Discord channel where we help each other succeed. Don't trade alone. I started this journey 5 years ago, a little bit after when Dr. Moondev started, and I made my own trading bot. And I am now at the point where I just trade by hand with the Quant app. I have to say I really like it. It's been years ago since I'd done it, and at first it was hard to start. That's why don't put all your eggs in one basket. That's something my late wife told me. But just scale up bit by bit and you will reach your goal. If you do it all in one time, You can lose it all, and then you'll have to refill that basket with your eggs. You can lose them again, you refill. Okay, you can replenish money if you have enough, but not like me. I don't have enough, so I have to scale up. I have to show you guys a different kind of approach, and this is what I was afraid of, that this would revert. So the oil price is, oh, it's lowering again, so it should be going up. But this is what we saw here at this point, because the oil price was still heading up while the Bitcoin was breaking off of the pattern. So it could be the correlation is over, because that's what was discussed with the other AI, that it's not always sure that it's a correlation. So that's why I will have a nice profit anyway if it closes. I won't be sorry. I could have taken some more, but I saw here already that it's because this one also, it's not really a higher high. 60, 56, 31, 56, 27, 55. So see, there wasn't a higher high. It could revert again. Could have taken the 75%, but I am happy with my result. A new all-time high for the books, guys. And this is something I needed to show you so you can better understand the trades I've been making, the choice I've been making. I sometimes discuss it with AI. It's an option, but do not always believe AI, because I told him it would revert here and he told me to wait. If I should have waited, I had a lower profit right now, because he would say take it about here instead of here where I said. So I'm happy for today. I hope I learned you something, guys, and I see you in the next video. Bye!